Okay, so one of the ways that you can connect with your audience better is by telling stories. And you probably know that, but do you know the reason why stories are so powerful, especially in the allied health community? It's because when we tell stories, we're connecting with somebody on a much deeper level. That's to say, we're connecting with their subconscious mind, okay? Our subconscious mind, as you know, behaves in the same way that a 7-year-old child does. And if we want to get information through to that 7-year-old child, we do it through music, through rhyming things, through rote, through colour, shape, music, and of course through story. The other reason that story really helps is because it builds rapport with your audience. So people who don't know you get to know you, not just by hearing about boring facts like how to breathe correctly when you're feeling anxious, or about mental health statistics, or, managing children's behaviours if you're a play therapist, but they get to know you. And that's really, really powerful. People are more likely to remember a story about you and your experience than they are a fact or stat or strategy or tool. And so that is really just so powerful. I use stories all the time. For me, it's a way to connect with my audience. It's a way to build rapport. It's a way for me to show up in a way that's really authentic. I share the good, the bad, and everything in between on my podcast, as those of you who listen to it will know. But don't be afraid of sharing stories. You don't have to tell things to your audience that are private and personal to you, but do tell stories that show a transformation or that let people in a little bit and see what happens to your growth. Bye for now.